AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR. Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and, for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR. 8 a.m. Eastern, February 3rd, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $95,120. ETH is down 0.5% at $2,589. XRP down 0.5% at $2.38. The crypto market saw $1.7 billion in liquidations over the past 24 hours after President Trump announced steep tariffs on imports from Canada, Mexico, and China. The sell-off wiped out over-leveraged bullish sentiment, with long liquidations making up $1.5 billion of the total. Bitcoin dropped 7%, reaching $91,000. Ethereum plunged 20%, and the broader crypto market shrank 14% to $3.1 trillion. Altcoins were hit even harder. Analysts say fears of a prolonged trade war are fueling inflation concerns, which could lead to the Fed keeping interest rates higher for longer. This uncertainty, combined with a lack of concrete crypto policies from the Trump administration, is making the market increasingly volatile. The volatility extended to South Korea's Bitcoin Kimchi premium, hitting nearly 10%, the highest in 10 months, as South Korean exchanges held steady while the broader crypto market sold off. The premium has since dipped to 8.2%. Kimchi premium happens when Bitcoin trades higher in South Korea than global markets, often during bull runs or panic selling when local selling pressure is lower. Analysts say the spike is likely tied to investor fears over Trump's new tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China, which could fuel inflation and economic uncertainty. The crypto market saw $2 billion in liquidations over the past day, and if U.S. selling pressure continues, the premium could stay high. Historically, it averages around 5%, so if markets stabilize, it's expected to narrow. Despite strict regulations, South Korea remains one of the most active crypto markets with heavy altcoin trading. Asian crypto stocks took a hit today as Trump's tariffs rattled markets. Japan's Metaplanet dropped 9%, Hong Kong's OKG Tech lost 9%, and Boya Interactive, China's biggest public Bitcoin holder, slid 5%. Japan's broad Nikkei 225 fell 3%, and South Korea's Kospi was down 3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng stayed flat. Shanghai's market was closed for a holiday. The sell-off came as investors reacted to Trump's tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China, which were announced Friday in the U.S. but only hit Asian markets Monday. Analysts expect more volatility as fears of a trade war continue to escalate. Steve Yun, former president of the Tan Foundation, has launched TVM Ventures, a $100 million VC fund focused on Tan-based startups. The fund's capital comes from Yun and a Tancoin miner whose identity remains undisclosed. TVM Ventures will prioritize DeFi and PayFi projects within the Tan ecosystem, aiming to support a financial system for 500 million users in the next few years. It will lead seed stage investments at valuations between $5 million and $10 million, with check sizes ranging from $500,000 to $1 million. The firm also has $5 million in liquidity support for protocols. So far, TVM Ventures has backed 4 startups. Well, ThorChain's governance approved a plan to tackle its nearly $200 million debt crisis by converting defaulted debt into equity through a new token called ThorChain Yield, or TCY. Token holders will receive 10% of ThorChain's revenue indefinitely. The protocol suspended its ThorFi services on January 23rd and is implementing a 90-day restructuring plan. Under the approved proposal, 200 million TCY tokens will be minted and distributed at a rate of 1 TCY per dollar of defaulted debt. Despite the crisis, ThorChain has processed $270 million in swap volume in the past 24 hours. And finally, Russia's Ministry of Energy plans to create a mandatory registry for all crypto mining equipment, making it impossible to mine without registration. Monthly reporting is required, with submissions due by the 20th of the following month. The move, led by Deputy Minister Yevgeny Grabchak, aims to better track domestic mining activities, especially in regions where mining is banned. Last November, Russia imposed crypto mining bans on 6 regions, including occupied Ukrainian territories, to address power shortages. The ban runs until March 2031. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.